Python pandas replace NaN in one column with value from corresponding row of second column. I am working with this pandas dataframe in Python. I need to replace all NaNs in the temp_rating column with the value from the forHeight column. This is what I need. If I do a Boolean selection, I can pick out only one of these columns at a time. The problem is if I then try to join them, I am not able to do this while preserving the correct order. How can I only find temp_rating rows with the NaNs and replace them with the value in the same row of the forHeight column?
Assuming your data frame is in df. First replace any NaN values with the corresponding value of df.forHeight. Delete the forHeight column. Then rename the columns. Here's the resulting data frame.
The above-mentioned solutions did not work for me. The method I used was
Ed Jonathan's answer is good, but an overkill. Just use pop.
Another way to solve this problem. Returns.
You can also use mask, which replaces the values where temp_rating is NaN by the column forHeight.
Before the problem is